Morning settles on our land, soft across the meadow stone. Golden light slips through the tree, leading gently toward our home. There you stand beside the gate, with the dawn upon your face. Every road I ever knew brought me to this quiet place.
Every morning starts with you, before the swallows cross the sky. I can see the orchard awake in the sunlight of your eyes.
Nothing here is hurried, even time has learned to slow. Every flower seems to bloom just because you call it home.
Will this golden morning stay
like the valley and the sky?
Will you always lead me home?
Every day my whole life through. Here the morning finds our door, soft as petals drifting low. Every season passing by only helps our garden grow. Hand in hand beneath the trees, watching quiet rivers flow. Love was never far away, it was always leading home. I have watched the apple tree reach a little higher now. Every branch remembers how, every simple spoken vow. When the evening cools the air and the hills are washed in gold, you don't have to say a word, I still hear it in your soul.
Little footsteps yet unseen live inside our hopes today, like the blossoms every spring, finding sunlight on their way.
If one day our hair turns white, like the frost on winter days, take my hand the way you do, nothing true will fall away. Stay with me,
I'm with you,
stay a while.
always do.
Every sunrise paints our home with the love we've always known. Here the morning knows our names, every window holds its glow. Every blossom that we grow keeps the days we've come to know. When the robins greet the spring, when the amber evening is slow, we'll still find the very same path where the first wildflowers grow.
If the years should softly flow,
like the rings inside the tree,
look into my quiet eyes.
you'll still find your home in me.
Morning wakes,
I'm still here,